Welcome back. Let's talk about trapezoid. Trapezoid is also in the family of quadrilateral, unlike a parallelogram, who has two pairs of parallel sides. Trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel sides. Alright, we're going to find area of trapezoid. Area of trapezoid is 1/2. We have a base 1. I'm going to color base 1 green. This is base 1. Plus base 2. I'm going to color base 2 right here. That's base 2. So you add base 1 and base 2. And then you're going to times the height. That is how you find the area of trapezoid. Let's look at our example. We don't have the height yet, but I'm going to assign a height after we find the mid-segment. We're going to practice how to find a mid-segment, okay? Mid-segment is 1/2 times the sum of base 1 and base 2. That is our mid-segment. For this reason, you can also write area of trapezoid is actually mid-segment times height. H is height. Okay? Alright. Now, let's go ahead and finish solving the mid-segment. Then I will give you a value for the height. Then we practice how to find the area. Mid-segment, 1/2, base 1, and base 2. 1/2 order of operation. 12 plus 28, that gives us 40. 40 times 1/2, that is 20. Now, I'm going to write down, we got a height. Let's say the height is, height is 20. Okay? Alright, so we already found that this part is 20 times another height, that is 20. Then we have a 400 square units. Units and put a square. That's how we find the area of trapezoid. Let us continue. This time is a very special member. This is called isosceles trapezoid. We know it's trapezoid because first you are a quadrilateral. You're in the quadrilateral family. Second, we see exactly one pair of parallel sides. That is a trapezoid. Okay? And then, because we also get this tick mark, tells us these two sides have equal length. Therefore, it is isosceles trapezoid. Now, we got this concept down. Let's find the missing angle measure. If it is isosceles trapezoid, these two base angles gonna be congruent. So this is 60, this is also 60. Alright, let's look at this one. If it is trapezoid, then these two angles, consecutive angles, they're gonna be supplementary. Does this remind you of the previous lesson, the property of the parallelogram? That is right. So we're gonna write down 180 minus 60. This one gonna be 120. Okay? And so same thing here. If this is 120, this one is also 120. And that is a special feature of our isosceles trapezoid.